Since 1963, Weiss Fire and Safety has had a reputation for selling, servicing, and manufacturing high-quality fire equipment and apparatus from our headquarters located in Salina, Kansas. Weiss Fire is truly a one-stop shop for all your fire and safety needs. Weiss Fire and Safety has been performing pump tests for our customers throughout the Midwest for years, primarily doing tests through whatever means were possible, such as lakes, ponds, swimming pools, and sometimes test pits. Each of the methods has inherent problems, such as location, dirty, harmful water, and the time of year. In 2003, Gary L. Weiss, founder of Weiss Fire and Safety, knew there was a tremendous need for fire apparatus to be pump tested annually and to be tested whenever major repairs were being performed. With his passion for safety and protection of communities and their firefighters, he teamed with his son Mike and other fire service engineers to develop a mobile fire pump test unit to test fire apparatus from draft using clean, clear water as per NFPA 1911, the 2007 edition, and meeting ISO requirements. Since then, Weiss Fire and Safety has performed over 1,500 fire apparatus service tests all across the Midwest, ranging from 250 to 3,500 GPM. Through many years of research and development on such an innovative unit, Gary Weiss filed for a patent and trademark on the Draft Commander. Weiss Fire is proud to introduce the Draft Commander 3000 AT. The Draft Commander 3000 AT is the first mobile pump testing and training laboratory that allows you to perform a pump service test from draft as per NFPA 1911 2007 edition at any location using clean, clear, and cool water. What makes the Draft Commander 3000 AT unique is that it works from draft. With the Draft Commander 3000 AT, you must use your primer to actually lift the water out of the tank. Without the use of a primer, you cannot perform a pump test from draft. Because of this lift, you can perform a priming system test as per NFPA 1911, section 18.7.5. This picture illustrates how the water must be lifted out of the tank and into the suction hoses. The Draft Commander can also be utilized as a safe and effective means for fire hose testing. The Draft Commander can perform pump service tests on apparatus up to and including 3,000 gallons per minute. In fact, the Draft Commander can perform a pump test on 2 trucks simultaneously. The Draft Commander is also a great training tool for calculating fire flows, pump operations, including drafting and relief valve pressure settings. The Draft Commander 3000 does all this while conserving water in an environmentally friendly way. In many cases, the department can offload water from tankers or tenders and reload the water back to the apparatus at the end of the pump test or training operations. Advantages of the Draft Commander 3000 AT. Perform a true pump test from draft, not a simulated draft. Test the apparatus at the fire station without taking the apparatus out of service. Test with clean, clear water protecting pumps and valves. Great tool for training and pump operations. Safe and effective way to test fire hose. Lifetime warranty on reservoir. Heavy-duty, powder-coated aluminum manifolds with a 10-year warranty. Add points to improve your ISO rating and lower insurance rates. No more plug screens and no more dirty water. The Draft Commander 3000 AT is environmentally friendly as it conserves water and won't disrupt wildlife. Easy to disconnect the apparatus if there is an emergency. Extend the reliability and efficiency of your apparatus. Ensure that your apparatus is ready for the call to protect life and property. A lightweight, low-profile aluminum transporter designed and engineered for optimum weight distribution. Light enough to be pulled by a half-ton pickup, tough enough to handle 3,000 gallons per minute. Used by municipal and professional fire service agencies all across North America, the Draft Commander has been used to perform thousands of pump tests in a safe, effective, convenient, and environmentally friendly way. Much of the input and feedback from these professionals has been incorporated in the features of the Draft Commander. The Draft Commander 3000 AT is lightweight with a low profile and has a streamlined design which will increase fuel economy by reducing wind drag while transporting. The Draft Commander features a sturdy, lightweight 3,000-gallon poly reservoir. The reservoir has been constructed with 3/4-inch sides and a 1-inch bottom. Natural cooling of the water is achieved by heat escaping to the atmosphere through the large center opening on the reservoir. At the front and rear of the reservoir, additional cooling is provided by large ventilators that allow heat to escape to the atmosphere. The ventilators can also be used for cleaning and flushing of the reservoir. You simply wash any hydrant, pump, or tank debris to the rear sump and drain pit. The Draft Commander features an integrated cooling system that will allow you to introduce a constant supply of cool hydrant water throughout the entire tank for extended periods of time and high volume pumps. This will allow you to maintain a constant water temperature of 90 degrees or less as per NFPA 1911. Cool water enters along the bottom of the reservoir and the warm water rises and is purged from the tank through an overflow system. A gauge is provided to monitor water temperature. We have applied a UV-rated marine-grade white polyurethane coating to the top of the reservoir to provide superior heat reflection. This coating helps keep the water cool. For additional cooling, each side of the reservoir is provided with a full-length white vinyl wrap. We have custom designed a lightweight, heavy-duty, tandem axle 12,000-pound GVW all-aluminum transporter designed specifically for the Draft Commander. The aluminum transporter has a 10,000-pound tongue jack and 4 7,000-pound pinnable jacks. The Draft Commander can also be provided with an optional gooseneck transporter. With a tongue weight of only 600 pounds and an empty towing weight of only 5,600 pounds, the Draft Commander can be pulled with a half-ton pickup. A folding rear step is provided to increase departure angle. The flow tips are mounted on each side of the transporter. Heavy-duty aluminum steps are provided to allow access to the pitot station and are safely stored at the rear of the unit while in transit. Located at the rear of the Draft Commander is a heavy-duty vented aluminum compartment specifically designed to carry fire hose and provided pump test tools.